Introducing the 2023 Hyundai Tucson. Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, keyless start, lane keeping assist, backup camera, power driver seat, alarm, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler. Get the quality and safety you deserve when you take the wheel of this Tucson. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.